cane shaft is generally longer than most people's limbs. This gives you a reach advantage. The next technique we're going to show you is a jabbing stop. From a punch, very slowly, as a punch comes in, you notice it can reach you at about this distance. But you have an added advantage of backing up to here and still being able to reach your opponent. So from the punch, all you're going to do is step back and push the cane's tip into the body. Make sure you retract right away. Otherwise, as you do that, they're going to grab hold of that shaft and you're going to be in a struggle over it. So, again, from the punch, stepping back and pushing away. Cover immediately. I showed you a jabbing stop against a punch. Now I'm going to show you that same technique against a kick. From the kick, all you're going to do is move that shaft forward, driving the tip right into the bend of the leg, right next to the groin. You're going to push it in hard and retract. It looks like this. When you jab that, make sure you jab hard, step forward into it, and then retract.
If you got something out of this video, please like and consider subscribing to our channel. Most importantly, push the bell icon below, and that way every time we upload a new video tip, you'll be notified straight away. Thanks again for watching.